What's the secret to Cuble's amazing cleaning power and speed? The active foam system. Active foam helps make possible amazing wash times as fast as 34 minutes. The difference foam can make is obvious. Liquid detergent acts slowly, but when converted to foam, it quickly surrounds and lifts dirt particles. That's why foam has so much more power to fight tough soiling. Here's how Cuble uses the power of foam to get clothes really clean. First, the washing machine mixes detergent with water under high pressure to produce extremely fine, dense foam. It then powerfully injects the foam onto the clothes from above. 7 jet showers powerfully drive the foam so it penetrates deep into clothing fibers and washes away the dirt. The dancing wash system features various types of motion to further enhance cleaning results. Thanks to all these technologies, even though the wash cycle takes just 34 minutes, stubborn dirt is removed and clothes come out beautifully clean. This super short wash time gives you more time with your family and makes life easier. The new Eco Drying system dries with a large volume of relatively low temperature air to dry clothes more efficiently and save energy. It's gentler on fabrics and minimizes any shrinkage. And the result is wonderfully dry and fluffy clothes. An EcoNavi washing machine knows how to be eco-friendly. 3 kinds of intelligent sensors do the key work. These 3 intelligent EcoNavi sensors detect laundry volume, fabric types, and water temperature for automatic savings of energy, water, and time. Simple, minimalist design. The flat acrylic front beautifully reflects its surroundings for an extra touch of style. Cuble's simple, stylish design harmonizes with any interior to enhance your premium lifestyle. Featuring the active foam system and amazing wash times as fast as 34 minutes, the Cuble washer dryer keeps your clothes looking beautiful and makes your life easier.
Panasonic.